random lang?
Oo, nandun na pa ano.
Okay.
Hi, Maharlika. What did you think of the turnout?
Of course, it was successful event here in the Netherlands. Talagang maraming taong dumating, ano? Miss Karen, talagang, actually, since day one nang pumunta ako dito sa The Hague, ang dami ko nakakasalubong na Filipino. Talagang they traveled from, not only from Europe, but from all over the world just to show support to PRRD.
And kayo, from where did you travel from?
I traveled from Los Angeles. At syempre, alindog ko, nagmamaganda dito para magpakita ng suporta sa ating mahal na Pangulong Duterte at sa bansang Pilipinas.
And hanggang kailan kayo dito?
Supposedly, uwi na kami tomorrow. But since nag-enjoy ako dito, mukhang mag-stay ako for a while. So open naman, one-way ticket naman kami. So hindi ko pa alam. But maraming Pilipino na nagpapakita ng support, we will stay.
Thank you.
Thank you, Billionario!